see, we got papers, scissors, glue, and rulers.
And the base for your
Or
volcano. So, what you gonna make today?
I'm gonna make volcano.
Using paper
First,
mache.
next, I need to scramble the paper. Twist it. Now I need to put glue on the base. Spread the glue. I'm putting the scramble. Okay, almost there.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the crumpled paper. I dip on. Now I'm gonna put it there.
Dip it. Dip all the paper.
I'm gonna put the glue in the middle there. And this is the last part. I'll put the paper on the base.
Good.
I'll put the paper on the base. Let it dry for 24 hours. It's dry on 24 hours and then we need to paint it. Painting time.
Why you choose color blue?
Because it's water in it. Painting green for my volcano. I'm done, Teacher Daisy. Hope you like my project. Thank you.